Mhm.
My experience with pen and paper work orders is kind of extensive. I spent a lot of time printing out work orders and then sorting through work orders and then assigning them to the team. Um, when you have, at least here in the United States, when I use paperwork orders, I have to keep 2 years of paperwork orders for audits. So uh, that means that you got to cycle out anything past 2 years. It creates just a lot of extra work to maintain paperwork orders. Um, a lot of the times, the techs will bring greasy, dirty paperwork back from the floor from their PM. So having to store that kind of stuff for 2 years is it's not the greatest thing. But with mobile work order, I complete the same actions as far as planning goes, but there's no greasy, dirty paperwork to hold on to for a couple of years. The planning and scheduling phase is streamlined. Everything is done in SAP. When I assign a PM to a tech in SAP, the tech they literally just have to refresh their app, and then it pops up in their app, and they can get to work. They have all the instructions they need.